Hey guys, this is Barry with FaO&x Outdoors, and today we're doing an unboxing video on Mango Power E. It is a freaking beast. It's got an RV plug for a 240 watt, 6 USB-Cs that are quick charging, 4 AC adapters. It's got a app for your phone. This bad boy will run your dryer, your AC. This is just such a strong backup. They say it's equivalent to a 3,000 watt gasoline charger, and it only in 1 hour it charges from dead to 80%. It's a quick charge, which is insane. But let's see what we can do. I have an RV. We could plug it in and see what it runs and see how long it runs, and let's see if we can kill it. Let me grab my knife. So this thing is not light. See what it all comes with. So it comes with its own little handle, which is pretty cool. It has a little window on the front of it. Let's see, warranty, 5-year warranty service, which is absolutely awesome. I think this is your solar panel kit. Let's see here, come on. Packaging is insane, awesome. All right, man, this thing's gonna be heavy. What should I do? Let's just cut into it. All right. It is not light. This table is doing everything it can to hold it. I'm curious what this weighs. Come on, buddy. There we go. Cut that out. Boom. Put your knife right here. Boom. So I've got some plans for this. I've got a just doing an unboxing video just to introduce it, but I do have a well. We live on a farm. We own a farm. And I've got 2 wells that doesn't work, and I want to run them off solar. So this might be something that I want to run this off of. I mean, I know it could easily do it. If it could do an RV plug, that's insane. Solar, 0%. I don't think this came charged. So, oh no, here it is. It's doing all its diagnostics. It's 65% right now. So, let's turn this back on. So, hold it for 5 seconds, so shut it off. I wanted to let you know that it has a 5-year warranty, but it did say you can also buy these and stack them, which would be crazy. This is $4,000. It's $399.99 or whatever. But to keep the warranty, it needs to be discharged before 6 months. So when you buy it, discharge it, which means use it to discharge it within 6 months, and then fully charge it. Also, let's see, there was something else. What was there? Oh, it's not super waterproof. It can take like water droplets and things to hit it that's over about 1 inch, but I would not put this in direct rain, and we're calling for rain all day today. So what I wanted to do was fully charge this and then hook it up to my camper and let it run the AC, see if I can run the AC and the microwave. Everything else is ran off gas, like the hot water heater, lights run off the battery, which we could charge those things. They're LED. And it's extremely heavy. And it does come with this, and it does have wheels. I'm gonna take this off real quick. Trying to pick this up. It's not light. Oh my God. What in the world? Oh, okay. Boom. I love this little thing though, seriously. I don't sugarcoat this stuff to you guys. Though just the way it looks is pretty cool. How do you charge it? It's got a panel right here. Oh, I'm gonna have a hernia when I'm done doing this review. What is this? Boom. Can y'all see that? Is that what this is for? So this is a E-Link port. Okay. All right, so this one is for solar. That'll go in there, and then you can connect your solar panels. And this one here, oh, here, let me back you up. Grab my chair. Boom. This right here, so it has this little plug. And all right, so grid AC. So I just kind of wonder if it goes one way or the other. I'm trying to force it. Boom. Okay, there's only one way to do it. All right. Boom. All right, so we just plug this in. This will be great for like solar panels. They didn't send me any, so we don't have solar panels. All right, so let's flip this back around because I've got to charge this. Lord, give me the strength. All right, let me clean up a little bit. Let me grab a extension cord. Where is the extension cord? Come here. There it is. Boom. All right, let's plug this in. Let's get it 100%. Boom. All right. And they say this is touchscreen. No, it's touchscreen. All right, plugged in. It's got power. I just heard it click. So I said it's grid. Here, take a look at this. See what I'm seeing. See what it's doing up here? Am I doing anything if I touch it? All right. So, let it do its thing. Once it's 100%, I am going to, I've got an extension cord for the camper that I can just plug it in inside here if it's raining and then just start seeing what we're doing to it. I'm going to download the app too on my phone. I'm recording with you, so I have to do that on my, where I'm not recording. All right, so here's the cool thing. 1 hour, 50 minutes from dead, fully charged. That's crazy. Especially like our e-bikes that I do videos of, they take 4 to 6 hours. So that's, and that's like a 20 amp hour. This thing's insane. So I'm happy it's sponsored. So charge it. I'll be right back once this is 100%. Be right back. All right, we are fully charged. This is touchscreen, you just tap it. I did download the app so you can see like all of this stuff will be on your phone, which is really cool. And I'll give you a short tutorial on that right now. I'll show you how to get your, come here real quick and I'll show you. Take this off, I have it on the charger. But if you need to get your serial number, just tap right there and there's your serial number. It's also underneath here, so flip it over, it's inside there. But all right, so we are going to take this down, and then it is super hot outside. I got the AC running in the camper. So we're going to unplug it. We're going to leave it in here because it's still kind of forecasted today. So we'll plug it in here and we'll just see how long it lasts. My goal for this is to run my well. It'd be really cool to run the camper as well and see how long it would last. And we can monitor it through the app. We'll just plug it in. But this is not heavy, so about to beast mode this thing. Come here. Oh my God. It does come with wheels. Right over there. So I don't know if you could see that. So it does come with wheels. We're going to take this out here. All right, bam. So let's get this, come with me. So we'll pop this off. And this is 240. Come on. Hopefully it should make it. Come on. All right. So hopefully we're not doing anything weird here. Make sure for that. It's 100%. Plug this in. Boom. All right. So it's running. That's insane. Let's go in here real quick. Make sure the AC, all the lights are on. Well, let's leave them all on. We're gonna turn this down to 68, guys. All right, little boom. So it is 9:30 right now. And I've got it down to 60, 65 or 69 degrees. So let's just see what happens. We'll be right back. All right, it's actually 11:30 right now. So it's been 2 hours. It is completely dead. Let's go check this bad boy out. I was watching it on the app, which is really neat, but she's dead. There is no life in her at all. So I was watching because I was doing some editing at the house. I'm like 60, 70 yards from the shop, and had this at 68 degrees. So it took it from 80 to 68. Had the AC running, had all the lights running, and it took it. It's cold in there, feels great. So super impressed. I want to see what it could do. I'm just giving you an idea what it can do. That bad boy right there, crazy heavy. But so I'm super glad that this was sponsored by that company. And if you like videos like this, hit the thumbs up and the notification bell. Thank you, Mango Power, for sponsoring this video. And if you like one, I'll put the description down below, and I'll see if I can get you some discounts. And thanks for watching, guys.